Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jeet Ki Pathshala. So today we are continuing the correct tense form of verb from 2006 to 2010. We have already made the videos on the previous year questions, and if you have not watched that video, you can click the I button and watch that video. So here we will be solving some of the questions from 2006 to 10 which will help you a lot. So now let's start it. First, we will start with 2006 questions. Before we start the video, I just want to tell you that you can pause the video after each question and write your own answer and check the answer that I have given here. So let's begin it. So the first question of 2006 is, father is not at home, he go out. So here you can say that the first sentence, father is not at home, is in present tense. So as this question is in present tense, so remember that the word in the bracket, the verb in the bracket will also be in present form, but it will be in the present perfect form. So the answer will be, father is not at home, he has gone out. Now let's say the next question, and that is, he reached the station before the train departed. So you have the word before, and whenever you have the word before after, it indicates that the sentence will be in past perfect tense, and the answer will be, he had reached the station before the train departed. Now let's say the next question, and that is, it is time we returned home. So you have the word it is. So when you have the word it is, it means that the sentence will be in past indefinite form. That means the verb in the bracket will change into second form of verb. So the answer will be, it is time we returned home. Now let's move on to the next year question paper, and that is 2007. So the first question of 2007 is, the new teacher teach us now for 6 months. So here you can see the word for 6 months, which indicates period of time. And whenever a sentence indicates that something has started in the past and continuing in the present, then it will be in the present perfect continuous tense. So the answer will be, the new teacher has been teaching us now for 6 months. Now let's move on to the next question, and that is, Mohan reached home before it started raining. So you have the word before here, which indicates past perfect tense, and the answer will be, Mohan had reached home before it started raining. Now let's see the next question, and that is, he told us that he never tell a lie. So here the answer will be, as you can see, he told us. That means this is in the form of narration, speech. So here you have the word told us. That means it is in the past form. Of course, here the bracket word will also be in the past form. So the answer here will be in the past perfect tense, and the answer will be, he told us that he had never told a lie. Now let's move on to the next year question paper, and that is 2008. So the first question of 2008 is, our teacher go to London last year. So here you have the word last year, which means that the sentence will be in past indefinite tense. So the answer will be, our teacher went to London last year. Now let's see the next question, and John write a number of short stories. That means here John has written lots of stories, which indicates present perfect form. So the answer will be, John has written a number of short stories. Now let's move on to the next question, and that is number 3. We should never tell a lie. So here you have the word should. So whenever you have the word should, would, could, or did, remember that the verb in the bracket will be in first form. So the answer will be, we should never tell a lie. And also you can say it actually tells us a fact that we should never tell a lie. Now let's move on to the next year question paper, and that is 2009. So the first question of 2009 is, the lady slept while she climbed the steps. So here you have the word while. As you have the word while, it means it indicates that the sentence will be in past continuous form. So the answer will be, the lady slept while she was climbing the steps. Now let's see the next question, and that is, we shall wait here until he come back. So we shall wait here until he come back. So here we can say that the sentence is in future tense. So we shall, which indicates future tense. So the verb in the bracket will be in present indefinite. Remember, whenever you already have the future form, then the other word or other sentence or the word in the bracket will be in the present indefinite form. So the answer will be, we shall wait here until he comes back. Now let's see the next question, and that is, he talks as if he knew everything. Now here we have the word as if. And remember, whenever you have the word as if, then the verb in the bracket will be in second form. So the answer will be, he talks as if he knew everything. So now let's move on to the next year question paper of 2010. And the first question of 2010 is, he jumped off the bus while it moved. Here you have the word while. So the answer will be in past continuous form, and it will be, he jumped off the bus while it was moving. Now let's see the next question. He said that he posted the letter. So here you can use the rule of narration here. He said, which means past tense. So the answer will be in past perfect form. He said that he had posted the letter. Now next question of 2010 is, he be a teacher since 1994. So here, since 1994, it indicates point of time, and already I have told you that whenever a sentence indicates point of time or period of time, it means that it will be in present perfect continuous form. So the answer here will be, he has been a teacher since 1994. So that's all for today's. These are some of the solved questions for you. I hope which will help you a lot for your preparation. And please do subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching the video.